What's up, guys? It's WB Fans here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of the Hampton Bay Carousel 2 in 44 inches. Got this brand new out of the box. This is new in box from the Habitat Restore. I got it today. Got it for $20, and yeah, I'm going to open her up now. So let's get it started. Oh, wrong. Let's see which one. All right. All right, so our box is now open. And close this now so I don't stab myself. So here we got our owner's manual. Yep. Here's the white set and the oak set of, here's one of the sets of blades that this fan comes with. It's got the bleached oak and white. And it has the rainbow pastel and the lighter colors on the other side. So this is the darker, this is the lighter. Set that aside. We have two of our hanging brackets, or not hanging brackets, blade brackets. I think these, here's three of the other blade brackets, so that's all 5 of them right there. Oop. This is your down rod right here. That's your down rod. This is the gasket for the for if you wanted it flush mounted. Blade screws, wire nuts, and the pull chain things, or the attachments. Here is the down rod cover for the screws and stuff. And here is the light kit cover. And so if you don't want the light kit, you can use this, put all the, you just have to unscrew everything and just set it down in here. So now we'll take this off. So here is our light kit. It uses different kind of sockets actually. Not what I intended, but alright. Here's the light kit. Actually, no, it gives you bulbs. Alright, sweet. Here's your, this is the canopy right here. Mounting hardware. These are the shades for the light. And if I can get this out, here's the light bulbs. This is what they look like. Just simple incandescent stuff. Here. And here is the main operation of it all, the motor. And it says factory identification Power Max. Year of manufacturing. It doesn't say. Doesn't say yet, but I'll probably provide it in the videos in the future of it. Oh yeah, fresh. I can tell this has never been opened. So, yeah, that's basically the unboxing video of this Carousel 2 and 44 inches. And I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing video. I might be doing more of these in the future when I might be doing more of these in the future. I don't know. I might be doing an unboxing video of that 2nd Century when it's time to record that thing. And a unboxing video of the Raw Iron Hunter original. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video that I did. Alright, this is WB Fans heading out.